It was all politics, and you know it.
Another Lombax. Come back to vandalize more equipment?
Mind your manners. Any super-intelligent being can see that this is a different Lombax. My colleague is just upset about the rebel Azimuth destroying the terminal. The firefight triggered Axiom's defensive grid, and now the entire city's closed off. Maybe you can help.
What's he gonna do? Fly over the grid and activate the reboot switches? Ah! I'd love to see that.
The system is resetting!
Alert! Alert! Lombax detected near Avionics Terminal 9. Dispatching units.
Wait, just what we need, more violence.
Let's get out of here!
Now arriving, Commuter Station 6271 from Ratchet City. All travelers, please stand.
I could get into a lot of trouble for this, but I'm tired of Nefarious and his troops. Let's see if I can activate this transport tube now that the lockdown's over. Here you go! This ought to take you right to Nurox Plaza.
Transport 2 activated.
Good luck, Lombax. And thanks again for all your help.
Lombax lover.
Oh, shut up.
Around the entire plaza.
Pollyx isn't a robot. Why would he help Nefarious?
Probably for the same reason Forsalon is. To use the clock for their own personal gain.
Why do I get the feeling this clock does more than just tell time?
Because it moves time as its caretaker sees fit, using a control room called the Orvis Chamber. Think of what Nefarious power power to control time. I have to go. Call me as soon as you reach Neurok's Plaza. We come in peace. Ow, that hurts. Arachnid, have you made visual contact with the rebel Azimuth?
Do I look like a Lombax? Am I furry? Do I have one brain? No.
There is no need to be rude. I was just doing my job.
You're new at this, aren't you? What did you do before? Shred paper?
I was a drive-through menu. It happens to be a very competitive field. We were just... How do you go have some pie? Or perhaps you can follow through.
They sent everyone to the city. I'm thinking of throwing a little soiree.
Ratchet! I'm glad you're here! I could use a little help.
Welcome. That hurts. Regeneration friends.
Pollyx diverted all air traffic away from the building. We'll have to find another point of entry. Come, I have someone on the inside who may be able to help us.
Someone who works for Nefarious?
Actually, he's a data miner at Pollyx Industries. I saved him from becoming food for the Agorians.
Azimuth, what are you doing on this frequency? The entire city is looking for you.
I'm here to cash in on that favor, Jarvis. We need a way inside Pollyx Industries.
I knew one day you'd make me an accomplice to terrorism. I'll run a diagnostic on the security system. In the meantime, you better take cover. Another security team is closing in.
Sync their positions to our nav units, and hurry up on that diagnostic.
Access sighted in Iran. Plaza. Security team is cleared to execute.
We have to buy Jarvis some time to work through our Ratchet, this is no time for games. Jarvis, how are we looking on that entry point?
I think I may have found a vulnerable spot. Just give me a moment to double check my logic.
We were just getting out. That hurts. Or perhaps they did a follow.
Okay, I found a way inside. Head to the hollow terminal when the coast is clear.
This one's by. Before backup arrives.
What we have to do is ionize the hologram's powered conduit. That should give your hover boots enough thrust to send you into the maintenance hatch.
Sounds simple enough.
Not exactly. It'll take all three of us. I'm activating the transport ramps to the west side of the plaza. Head there now and await further instructions.
The transport ramps are up. Follow me. You work for Pollyx. Can't you call them off?
Hold on, I'll check. It said no.
I got this one! I have every confidence in Ratchet's abilities. I'll contact you from the conduit terminal.
Voice, stop, you creature! In the game!